Dougie Rain's got an exhibition 2 stars, right, Doug? This is a Crow Hop special. So Crow Hop special standby is kind of a, he chose Wild Man of the Comanches, not only because of the southern drum, but Dougie shared the story with me when he was 3 years old. His dad had an old record of Kozak, of the Kozak record, LP, vinyl, right? And he played this record, and at age of 3 years old, Dougie started dancing. Big full pamper and on, he was dancing. Yeah. And he started dancing in style, and he was dancing kind of a crow hop style to that gourd dance song, right, Dougie? He was dancing the Kozak gourd dance songs. And his mom outfitted him. And since then, he had a lot of respect for Southern music, for that real loud, powerful beat. And come to find out, he likes that horse stealing song, that trot song, horse stealing song, that like a crow hop. And jeez. You two save that for the room. So 2 stars up, 2 stars, Wild Man of the Comanches. All traditional dancers stand by. This is an exhibition. This is what he's looking for. Give it up one more time, Mr. Dougie Rain. Like 1 dancer apiece. So there should be 5 finalists after this first song. Traditional dancers, Dougie said to come on in, dance your style, have fun. It's a show-off special, crow hop style. I want you to show off, I want you to shake it, I want you to kind of move it. Everything on your body, your toes, your knees, your hips, your lips, everything. Move it. Dougie, we're going to ask you to dance here. Some of the ladies wanted to honor you and put some blankets down. Here we go. Wild Man of Comanche, song number 1. Time and be honored by Lord Gripper and Arlene Costa. Thank you. Randy Pasterman. Remember that time Randy Pasterman won that special? And he didn't even dance in it? He was at the Powwow, he just wasn't dancing and we called his number. Remember that, Randy? Alright, here we go. Wild down to Comanche, song number 2. Good luck, boys. Stay in the area. Show up time. Show me what you got. Show me what you got. One more time, a big round of applause for the top 5. We have 5 envelopes. We got 5 t-shirts. Winner gets a Pendleton chair. And a lot of these prizes were donated by different family members. And the chair is embroidered on it. It says Dougie Rain, Head Man Dance Special Champion Sycuan 2015. So we got judges over here. You can pick a shirt and an envelope, or they're going to pick a shirt. Charlie. Consolation winner, Charlie Tailfeathers. Charlie, shake hands. You got a t-shirt. All right, who's next? We're going to go from oldest to the youngest. I don't know if Russell's older than Nathan or not, but we'll try. Consolation winner. Each of these dancers are receiving $100 and a t-shirt consolation prize. Who's next? Nathan? Yeah. Nathan's coming on up. Consolation winner. Red Bear Golder. All right. That's the champion. Red Bear chose the champion. Colin Oaks has the magic touch. Red Bear receives the cash, the chair, the shirt, and consolation winner, Zane Thompson. Each of our judges are receiving some tobacco offering. At this time, Mr. Dougie Rain, I want to thank all the traditional dancers that come forth.